Welcome to Pinoy Swiss Abroad. Here is what happened last weekend. But before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please try to watch in full before subscribing. Here we are again, traveling for an event here in Auckland City. This is what Sky City Hotel looks like inside and outside. They have decorated outdoors as per the current events, which is the Chinese New Year. At syempre, alam nyo naman po ako, adik sa gala. So, eto, go lang ng go. The decorations are good for Instagram and Facebook post. Ang ganda po ng mga halaman, di ba po? Calling all the plantitos and the plantitas again. And just to let you know, this is the sky jump from the sky tower where you can do sky bungee jumping. And here he is. Look. It may look easy, but it's not for the faint-hearted. Let's just appreciate the surroundings together. More than a decade ago, I used the bus for transportation to go home. And I have to walk from the office to this place and wait for the bus. People are just relaxing on the benches and on the tent, as you can see. Karamihan po sa kanila nakatira sa apartment dito sa city. So, minsan nag-unwind lang po sila dito sa labas kesa naman sa loob lang ng bahay. And later in the afternoon, when the sun is not too hot, then you can see lots of children playing around here. There is a proper playground for kids in Vineyard Quarter, and it's probably 10 to 15 minutes walk. And here overlooking is the art gallery. Going there, you have to go up to that stairs. I will show you next time what it looks like inside. Yes, meron na naman po akong free tour sa inyo for this type of museum, sa art gallery museum. Please wait for that free tour because I have so many travel backlogs to post. And unfortunately today, this is the news. Rest assured that we travel responsibly. And all of our recent travels are COVID-free. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button.